How to become a Forex trading millionaire in 2023. Becoming a millionaire through Forex trading is possible, but it's also a very challenging and difficult task. Here are some steps that you can take to increase your chances of becoming a millionaire through Forex trading in 2023. 1. Develop a solid trading strategy. Having a well-defined trading strategy is essential for success in Forex trading. 1. This should include a clear set of rules for entering and exiting trades, as well as risk management strategies such as stop-loss orders. 2. Get a good education. Learning as much as you can about Forex trading is crucial to your success. 2. Learn the basics of Forex trading, technical analysis, and fundamental analysis. 2. Read books, articles, and participate in online forums. 3. Practice and backtesting your strategy. Backtesting your strategy using historical data can help you identify potential issues and improve your performance. 3. Practice with a demo account to get a feel for the market before you start trading with real money. 4. Control your emotions. Keep your emotions in check, as emotions can lead to impulsive decisions that can be costly. 4. Train yourself to be patient and disciplined. 5. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio by trading multiple currency pairs can help you spread your risk and increase your chances of success. 6. Use leverage cautiously. Leverage can amplify your gains, but it can also amplify your losses. 6. Use leverage with caution, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. 7. Keep learning. The Forex market is constantly changing, so it's important to stay current on the latest trends and technologies. 7. Keep learning and improving your skills. 8. Be realistic. Remember, becoming a millionaire through Forex trading is a long-term goal that requires a lot of time, patience, and dedication. 8. Do not expect overnight success, be realistic on your expectations. It's important to remember that past performance is no guarantee of future results. Forex trading is a high-risk investment, and it's essential to be well-educated and to have a solid risk management strategy in place. It's also important to seek professional advice and only invest money that you can afford to lose.